Moon stole Earth's water many years ago. A new study suggests that the moon has acquired water by taking hydrogen and oxygen ions as it passes through Earth's magnetosphere.
Water has been found on the moon, and some of this lunar water likely originated from asteroid and comet collisions that brought water to it. However, a new study titled Distribution of Water Phase near the poles of the moon from gravity aspect suggests that another water source is from the Earth itself, up to as much as 500 cubic kilometers of it.
Hydrogen and oxygen ions in Earth's upper atmosphere may have passed over to the moon as the moon passes through the tail of Earth's magnetosphere for 5 days out of every lunar month. Solar wind from the sun breaks the magnetic field lines on one side of Earth, creating the magnetotail the moon passes through to pick up these ions.
On the moon, these ions would then combine, creating water in the form of surface permafrost or subsurface liquid water. The amount of water predicted to have accumulated from this source would be enough to fill Lake Huron in North America.
NASA has long-term plans to establish a human presence on Moon, therefore, the lunar station needs to be situated next to a water source. This latest research could help experts to decide where to put that station.